Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another upcoming Aldi finds for October the 19th through October the 25th. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Here we have Crane soft-sided basket cooler for $9.99. This wooden bar cart, it is $89.99. It looks like it's a nice little space saver as well. Easy Home Personal Table, $16.99. Huntington Home Carved Area Rug, $59.99. Huntington Home Loofah Anti-Slip Bath Mat, $7.99. Now that's interesting. A loofah anti-slip bath mat. I've never seen one of those. Okay. Huntington Home Oversized Towel or 2-pack bath towels, $13.99. Huntington Home Velvet Plush Sheet Set, $39.99. And I know that feels really good, plush. I love plush everything. Okay, Huntington Home Queen or King 4-piece bedding set, $39.99. Alright guys, if this video is helpful to you in any way, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, and I definitely cannot do it without you guys. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you, thank you, thank you. Easy Home Wall Mount Fixed Shower Head, $24.99. Easy Home Multi-Purpose Dolly, $16.99. As seen on TV, Socket Chef or Spice Spinner, $19.99. 2-in-1 Electric Grill or Griddle, $54.99. Okay, Crofton Bamboo Chopping Block, $14.99. Number 2 is Crofton Cheese Board with Utensil Set, $19.99. I think that's a great deal for the board and the utensils. And the Lazy Susan for $19.99. Crofton Mini Cast Iron Cookware, $5.99. And Crofton Cast Iron Grill Pan or Frying Pan, $18.99. Crofton they're showing out this week. Crofton Mini Cast Iron 2-quart Dutch Oven, $18.99. Crofton Cast Iron 4.6-quart French Oven, $29.99. And those are beautiful. I love that green. Huntington Home 50 by 60 Velvet Plush Sherpa Throw, $9.99. And that's what I like about Aldi and Huntington Home. They give you a huge throw for a reasonable price, $9.99. You can't beat it. Okay, Huntington Home Flameless Candle Lantern, $8.99. And Huntington Home Decorative Metal Lantern, $29.99. Premium Patio Gazebo, it is $229.99. Malabi Rustic String Lights, $24.99. And these are really cute. Usually they have like just the bulb, but I think it's cute having the little iron around it. So yeah, that's cute for $24.99. Okay, this Rattan Conversational Set, it is $299.99. You get how many pieces? 4 pieces. Okay, that's a good deal, guys, for $299. Okay, Welby Pulse Oximeter, $24.99. Crane Ladies Memory Foam Walking Shoes, $12.99. Crane Men's or Ladies Warm Line Clogs, $9.99. Lily and Dan Children's Warm Line Clogs, $7.99. Ladies Fall Shackets, $17.99. Now guys, if you don't know what a shacket is, it is a shirt and a jacket together. It is called shacket. Oh my goodness, that name is so crazy. But it is $17.99 and they are really thick. So if you don't want to wear a coat, a jacket may be what you would like. Okay, ladies, fleece pullovers are $12.99. Easy Home Corner Garment Rack, $19.99. Easy Home 360-degree sun surround heater, $29.99. Huntington Home Accent Fragrance Warmer, $4.99. Huntington Home 3-in-1 Lightweight Stick Vacuum, $27.99. Oh, well, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without you guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much. And do remember, guys, to count your blessings. Count them one by one. All righty. I'll see you guys on the next one.